Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantina and today I am going to be doing a luxury perfume haul for you. These are my most complimented perfumes. I love them. There's some good transition perfumes from winter to spring all the way into the summer. You can wear these perfumes. I have something if you want to smell like a snack. I have something that got you feeling like a boss. I got something that a little, brunch with the girls, and I got some date night stuff for you also. So stay tuned. All right, so I have really been getting into perfumes and just aromatic smells over the last 2 years. I've always liked perfumes, but I'm really getting into like the notes of perfume and trying to figure out which notes go best with my chemistry. And I have been testing out perfumes and different types: floral, musk, masculine, feminine, all these different types of perfumes. And I've landed on a type of scent that I like. So I'm gonna take you through a few of the scents that I love, my most complimented scents. And the first one we're gonna start off with is this Valentino Donna Born in Rome. This smells so good. I was sleeping on this particular perfume. My best friend told me about it and I was like, you know what, let me test it out, let me try it out, because I've always stayed with like two perfumes like before 2 years ago, but now I'm just expanding my palette. And this right here, this Valentino, I love the packaging on this. It says here that the fragrance family is warm floral, and I didn't think I would like any type of floral because I'm not a floral type of scent, even though I do like the scent of rose, like a warm rose. But this right here says warm floral, and the key notes are black currant, jasmine grandiflorum absolute, and bourbon vanilla. And I hear that bourbon vanilla fragrance is one of the most expensive fragrances out there. This smells so good. I'm gonna do a little test spray here, and let me see if I can smell. All right. Yes, I can definitely smell that vanilla. And when I wear this on my skin, the dry down is so nice. It lasts a long time. I get a lot of compliments. People do not know what this smell is, and when I tell them, they like, oh man, that's a good one. And you know what I smell? I smell a little fruit up in there also. I'm not sure what that is, but that's what makes me think this is a good transition perfume from winter to fall, because you do get those hints of floral, but it is a warm type of feeling. I guess that vanilla just kind of sets it off and sit it right down in that warm family. So yes, you definitely want to try out that Valentino. And this 3.5 bottle here run upward at $156, and that's just for the single bottle. And this one would definitely have you smelling like a snack. My next luxury perfume that I have been feeling over the last 2 years is Jimmy Choo, I Want You. Now this is like a signature scent that I've been wearing for like the last probably 6 months. If I don't know what to grab, I grab Jimmy Choo. It says Jimmy Choo I Want You is a sparkling floral warm, there's that word again, warm, spicy fragrance infused with velvet, peach, and vanilla. Warm vanilla, there it is again, that warm scent. Good transition from winter to spring into fall. I'm telling you, I take this, I even have a little bottle of this in my purse. This is definitely a signature scent. This is a good night scent and a good day scent. Can't go wrong with Jimmy Choo. It's not overpowering. It matches really well with your mate. If they like colognes, it's not going to overpower. Because sometimes a woman can wear a overpowering cologne, and when she's with her man that is, giving Chanel blue, you know what I'm saying? It can clash. So you want to just make sure that you are not clashing. And this Jimmy Choo is a good marrying type of perfume. And this one here is for the 3.5 bottle. This is $100. I got this for $132. Now this perfume, my best friend put me on to this one again. The bottle is sexy. The smell is sexy. This is definitely a good date night perfume, and that is the YSL Libre Intense. This right here, man. Now this is one of those sexy smells. You're gonna feel very sexy when you are wearing this, especially around your man. He is not going to be able to stop sniffing in your direction. It says here that Libre Le Perfume is a luxurious, warm, there's that word again, warm and spicy interpretation on a classic Edule perfume with an endless floral trail. So again, a good transition from winter into the spring. It's warm, so it sits in that cozy vibe, a good nighttime, but then the floral, that warm floral is just taking you right into the springtime. This is another banger. I don't know, you may not be able to wear this one around your man and be able to get out the house. This one right here, I don't know. You may not be able to wear this one and think you finna get out the house. Yeah, he's gonna be ready to take you around the house. And this particular brand, this is a 3.5, right? Yes, this is a 3.5 bottle, and it is $170. You may be able to find it on sale somewhere, but for the most part, it's $170. So the next fragrance, I can't leave my girl out. You cannot, when you're talking about high end, when you're talking about luxury, boss, when you're talking about, woman coming into the boardroom and running a meeting like that, you can't leave your girl out. And you know who I'm talking about. Yep, Coco Chanel. What? Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. This particular perfume here is A1. This is going to take you into the boardroom. This one is going to get you those $1 million deals signed, okay? This one is going to get you confident doing your presentation in front of a board that's trying to close a multi-million-dollar deal, okay? This Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, my husband bought me this one, and I know why. This one right here is sexy, is bossy, is feisty with a little spice in there. And let's just go ahead and read the notes. First, let me spray this because, I just want to put it in the air. Woo, yes, I'm gonna need some cocoa beans in a minute. This has it says that it has an extreme, luminous, and deep concentration of patchouli infused and fragrance with voluptuous dimension. Even just that first line right there, okay? This is not for the weak, okay? Not for the weak. And it goes on to say, the warm, soft, warm again. See, I like the warm, those warm vibes, those transition from winter into spring type of vibes. And it says here that it is a warm, soft, and feminine amber accord. Even though it says feminine, you definitely feel like a boss with this. Very intoxicating blend of tonka bean and, can you guess? Yes, vanilla, but not just any vanilla. Vanilla from Madagascar. It goes on to say that it's wrapped. It wraps the scent of sensuality. This is a good date night also, but I will say be careful when you wear this one with your men. Unless you're both wearing Chanel, then they complement each other. Because my husband, he also have a really good cologne line, and I'm probably going to do that so you ladies know what colognes you should get your mate, your husband, your man, your boo, your whatever, okay? But this right here is upward at $170, and this is for the 3.5 ounce. And then I got another one here. So I've been really looking to expand, go overseas, see what's really out there. A lot of perfumes come from Paris and Italy, and I know. But have you guys tried those Middle Eastern fragrances? So I purchased this. This is Ragba. I hope I'm saying it right. It is an Edu perfume. So it has that oil type of intense base to it. If you haven't tried a Middle Eastern fragrance and you like deep musk, amber, warm, deep, sensual smells, you need to try those Middle Eastern scents. So it is a unisex perfume, but I feel like it's more of a feminine type perfume versus a masculine type perfume, even though it does say unisex. Okay, so the tones are oud, musk, vanilla, sugar, sandalwood, and incense. This is going to have you smelling like Badu. Okay, this is going to have you smelling like, eclectic, eccentric. This is going to take you down a journey of queenship. Like, this fragrance here is so good. It smells so good. I use this at night, I use this in the day, and it's not even expensive. I got this off of Amazon, okay, for $35, and it lasts. This scent here, don't sleep on those Middle Eastern fragrances, okay? And you get top notch for a fraction of the cost. You know what? I'm going to get about 3 or 4 more Middle Eastern fragrances, and I am going to do a haul and tell you guys all about it. In fact, I already have one on its way coming, but once I get about 2 or 3 more, I'm going to talk about these a little bit more. But don't sleep on the Middle Eastern fragrances, especially if you like that warm, that musk, amber type of fragrance. It's you can't go wrong. You won't go wrong, and for the price. Then a couple of little tips that you guys probably already know, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you some tips because I like to give tips and tricks to every video that I put out. So when you are layering, okay, when you want to, if you want your perfumes to last a long time, you want to layer, right? I like to layer with like cocoa butter or shea butter, something that already has like a nice warm tone to it, not too sweet. And then I go in with the perfume. I just spray it directly onto my skin. I don't rub it in. I just let it marinate together. It lasts all day. Also, I know me, I don't mind putting perfume on my clothes. I like the smell of the perfume on my clothes. It just even illuminates around me even better. So you can spray a couple across your chest here, and that's going to illuminate up on your own nose, so you would know that, yes, you smelling like a snack or a boss or whatever it is that you're trying to smell like. And then you also want to put it behind your ears on each side. You can put it in your pressure points, you know, in between your forearms. I like to put it on my ankles and on the back of my knees, so when I walk past, it's like, what's she wearing? So that's a little quick, some tips there. Check out these fragrances. I'll leave them in the description box below, but I believe you can get all of these scents except for the last one I mentioned in Macy's, Dillard's, Saks, anywhere, any department store that sells high-end luxury perfumes. You can get these here. And like I said, I got this particular one off of Amazon. I will put that in the description box, so you can just click right on the link and it'll take you straight to this particular bottle. All right, so that is all I have for you today. Remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.